What made you put the subs the way they are?
Just trying something new.
Okay. So they used to be in the trunk?
Yeah.
Okay.
Shop all things car audio at Sonic Electronics and use discount code JacobViral at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
I got two ZD615s on one Salt 6K. Wide and half on.
Nice. So, oh, it's right here. Okay, I was trying to see if there's anything in the back. Wow. Who built this box?
Paul Cushy boy.
Okay. Very nice. What made you put the subs the way they are?
Just trying something new.
Okay. So they used to be in the trunk?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. And what's your battery, alternator, tuning, and all of that? Do you know?
I believe the box tune at 33 hertz.
Okay.
I got one CES 80.
Okay.
And a 320 amp alternator.
Okay. Nice. Wow. Any SPL test out of it?
I got no clue.
No clue? That's okay. Where's your port at?
It's on the driver's side, back.
Oh, is there where I can see it?
Man, they kind of don't.
It's okay. I'd like to know where everything is and see it. Oh, okay. Got it. So it's right here. Wow. That's a big box. Do you know the cubes on it? How big it is?
I'm not sure.
It's all good. Wow. Thank you for showing me. How low do you play down to, frequency-wise?
I'm not sure.
It's all good, man. I ask a lot more questions than most people. I just like to know everything. So could you tell a difference going from like a trunk system to the way it is now with a bigger box? Do you notice more lows, more highs, a little bit louder, or what?
It's a little bit louder.
Okay.
A little bit louder in the back.
Nice. It's really good. Sorry for all the questions. I just like to see everything. I only get to see it one time, so yeah. I'm gonna take a couple pictures real quick.
All right.
Who's that creeping through my window? Before you come outside, I got the info. Took it to the end zone from the end zone. Wanna hit the jack, then what you call for? All that out your name shit, that ain't called for. Someone out there watching me. Who's that creeping through my window? Before you come outside, I got the info. Took it to the end zone from the end zone. No, I let it smoke, you let it leak, no. Wanna hit the jack, then what you call for? All that out your name shit, that ain't called for. peeping through my window. Before you come outside, I got the info. Took it to the end zone from the end zone. No, I love the smoke, you love the lit, no. Wanna hit the jack, then what you call for? All that out your name shit, that ain't called for. Like Jenny, outside don't panic. Got a switch, got a chance of transit. Still jump around, move fancy. And I still don't like she fancy. Some days feel a chance. Outside really trying.
Thanks for letting me hear, man. Yeah, man. I appreciate the demo. Nice to meet you.
All right.